Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rust removers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the MultiPurpose Rust Remover and Anti-Rust Lubricant. We understand not all rust removers in the market deliver the expected results. This can give you a difficult choice when looking for one that leaves your rusted surface safe after use. There's no need for this worry because the Charm Rust Remover is here for you. With a powerful formulation, it instantly removes both rust and stain without the need for a waiting period. Not only that, but it also helps prevent corrosion and oxidation. As a result, it leaves a waxy and thin film that attaches to your metal for months. Afterward, it protects the surface from oxidation to restore its original shine. In addition, this best rust remover is safe to use without the need for special equipment. Every time you want to deal with a rust stain, you can do without protective gear such as gloves and masks. Also, its chemical formulation is safe to use around pets and children. Simply spray and wipe the affected area to get the desired results. Moreover, this item is non-corrosive with zero fumes, making it super safe on almost everything. Use it on metal surfaces, paints, vinyl or plastics. Note that it is non-conductive to prevent short circuits when applying on electronics. Moving on at number 4, we have the Rust Stain Remover Powder. Iron Out has made it to the top of this best rust remover list due to its effectiveness. You can use it to remove massive deposits of rust stains without mixing other components. Also, its versatile compound is suitable for laundry, kitchen, water softener, or bathroom to meet various applications. Now, you have an easy-to-use product that gives you the desired results. Another thing is that the chemical compound rinses away the tough rust stains as it eliminates the need for using a scrubber, which is too tedious. You can extend your machine's life by using this accessory. Not only does it remove iron buildup, but it also prevents damage to the unaffected places. At the same time, it maintains the softener performance to give you a smooth application. In addition, this item is perfect for geographic locations with high rust and water. Note that it is septic safe for you to use in your bathroom to remove rust from sinks, tiles, and other areas. Designed in the USA, it is a superior solution than other pricier brands in the market. Use it to clean white laundry and toilets in your home. At number 3, we have the original Super Safe Rust Remover, water-based. We understand when looking for a rust remover, you need to check its safety. This can be difficult due to the many formulas in the market with promising results. Fortunately, we have the Evapa Rust solution in a 1-gallon bottle. Not only to give you more extended use but also to prevent constant repurchase. It helps to rust a steel item up to 300 pounds to remove the stain. It is made from eco-safe ingredients that are water-based to help deal with rusting issues. Plus, an advantage is that the effect is noticeable within minutes to eliminate sanding or scrubbing. In addition, this item is biodegradable, non-toxic, and non-corrosive for maximum safety. In case it gets in contact with your eyes or skin, it does not cause damage. What's more, it does not produce bad odors or fumes thanks to its zero base, solvent, and acid solution. Unlike the other chemicals that require gloves, masks, and other protective eyewear, this one is safe. It does not harm you or the unaffected parts of Viton, PVC, steel, or plastic parts. Use it on grill grates, cast iron cookware, auto parts, tools, toys, sewing machines, and even toys. At number 2, we have the Rust Remover Dissolver. If you are looking for the excellent rust remover that gives you a cost-effective service, stop searching. Rust 911 is strong and easy to clean a variety of materials such as copper, mill scale, cast iron, and also steel. What this means is that you get more flexible use, which eliminates the need for buying different products. Not only that, but you can also use it on rusted gas tanks, wheels, automotive parts, tools, cookware, and any rusty metal without attacking the base metal. In addition, this item has an ultra concentrate that removes rust more safely than the rest. Its 1-gallon composition prevents the need for using harsh chemicals, sanding, or grinding to give you easy use. Boasting of a powerful oxidation treatment, this product is biodegradable, non-corrosive, and non-toxic. Not only that, but it does contain any acids to keep your skin safe at all times. Simply add water and mix an 8-ounce concentrate into 1 gallon of water. The remaining solution can last up to 5 years when you store in a closed container. If your plastic, paint, or rubber has rust, this is the go-to cleaner. You can use the solution for many times until the liquid turns black for a cost-effective service. And finally at number 1, we have the Wheel Cleaner Rim Cleaning Spray. Remove unwanted grime with this powerful cleaning rust spray. The Trinova cleaner restores your dirty wheels to their former glory as it melts away the dirt. You can remove the buildup caused by oil residue or brake dust quickly without hiring experts. Besides, this item can work on salt and snow, which ruins the appeal of the wheels, especially in the wintertime. Made from concentrated formula, it quickly penetrates deep into the stubborn stains. This results in a cleaner look of the rims as the rust wash away to extend its lifespan. We love the safe and versatile ingredients of this item, suitable for all types of tires. You can apply it onto a chrome, aluminum, or even a white wall wheel to get a clean-looking surface. Boasting of an acid-free formula, this product prevents long-term damage. That means you can clean your factory wheels of an SUV, minivan or sedan car to offer protection against grime and dirt. Furthermore, this cleaner is cheaper than other brands for you to clean a stained rim without spending too much. Its packaging also is appealing when you store together with other car products or cleaners. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.